Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So, an adjective hailvach is the possessive adjective and it denotes ownership of an object. Now, while it is an adjective, it doesn't follow the rule that we learned previously. It always goes in front of the object. So mo is my, do is your, a is his, a is also her, our is our, ver is year or your plural, and a is also there. An adjective hailvach causes the word to change, and today we're looking at vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And it's also very important because it helps you differentiate when a means his, her, or their. So mo means my, and mo becomes M apostrophe, and you place it together with the word. So if you have my apple, mo agus ual, it becomes ma'ul. If you have my butter, mo agus im, it becomes me'im. Do means yours, and do becomes the apostrophe. So your aunt, do agus antine becomes dantine. Your orange, do agus aráiste becomes deráiste. So when a means his, it doesn't change anything if the word begins with a vowel. A ola, his oil. A ual, his apple. A in, his butter. A also means her, but if you have a word beginning with a vowel and you want to say her, a her puts a H in front. Now it's very important, this isn't a shevu that goes after the first consonants, the H goes in front of the letter. So a holla, her oil. A hual, her apple. A him, her butter. Or means our, and you put an N hyphen in front. Or naráiste, our orange. Or nim, our butter. Ver means your or year, so the plural of your. And whenever you have it in front of a vowel, you put an N hyphen in front. Ver nahar, year falder. Ver newel, year apple. So a, when it means there, you put an N hyphen in front. So a nulla, their oil. A netilon, their airplane. And remember, this helps you differentiate when a means his and a means her. So just to summarise on adjective hailvach when the word begins with a vowel, just to summarise, mo becomes M apostrophe and you combine it, ma'ul. Do becomes D apostrophe and you combine it, dual. A meaning his, you don't do anything, so a ual. A as in her, you put a H in front of the word, a hual. Or you put an N hyphen in front of the word, or newel. Ver, you put an N hyphen in front of the word, ver newel. And a there, you put an N hyphen in front of the word, a newel.
Agus sin é.